Hi guys. So today we went to a vet and I'll show you who that was. It's the Center for Birds and Exotic Animals. And I don't know if everyone has access to this awesome of a facility, but if you are in Washington State, in the Bothell area, I hugely recommend these guys. They specialize in only these exotic animals, and they take such good care of our little babies. So we know that they can have their problems. They can get vitamin deficiencies. They can have upper respiratory problems. And it's just good to have a relationship with your neighborhood facility if you have one. If you don't have some kind of a vet facility, please do as much research as you can. Read up. There's so many people sharing really good information online that you can use to help make sure that your animals stay safe and healthy. So here's my babies. Victor hasn't come out of his travel cage yet. He's still chilling in there. I'm not sure why. But he'll join the rest of the flock when he's ready. They got their nails trimmed today, so they have perfect little nails today. And they had a full examination and even stool analysis. So we're making sure that they are healthy, and this is just such a good thing to do. I know it's not inexpensive. There's plans if you need to have some kind of a monthly payment instead of paying all outright. There are things like that you can do, but it's so essential. Oh, and here's Betty. She's taking a little nap. It was a big day today, being in the vet and having her nails trimmed. But at least they had each other, and they were so cute, cuddling with each other and doing the face nuzzles. It was very precious. So good experience overall. Again, here is the facility I went to, and I fully recommend if you are in the Northwest Washington area, or this might be the closest one to you, even if you live farther out. So check them out. Keep your birdies safe, and we'll see you again.